Hi, it's Michael, and here we have a question from Patrick Neil Harris, New York, the Hamptons, USA. Michael, are wooden diving boards more slippery? And the answer is very plain, no, they are not. There are conditions. First thing, you have to maintain your board. If you don't maintain your board, you will have moss on it, and moss will be slippery. If you experience the feeling of barefoot touch on wood compared to flagstone, tiles and all this, it is less slippery. It is a natural adherence that you have. Important, our boards, depending on which range, which family it is, we got the tension boards and we got the floating models. With the floating models we have slots at the place where you push off for the diving. The tension models, they have rubbers like a boat, and so they are not slippery at all. I hope that answers your question. Again, I'm not a YouTuber, I'm not an influencer, so please comment, and make this channel worthwhile.